I love adding natural materials into my projects. Wood is the obvious choice for your decks and docks, but adding stone can create a real sense of balance, and it'll last forever. So here's a few ideas of how you can incorporate stone into your next project. Rock is not going to break down or fade over time. That makes it ideal for use on projects like bar or kitchen countertops, for building barbecues and constructing fire pits. Rock doesn't need any treatment, but if you're using it for a bar or a kitchen countertop, you might want to seal it. Rock is porous and it can absorb grease and rust, which can discolor it. A penetrating sealant, it closes up the pores in the stone up to 1/4 inch so that nothing will sink in past the surface, preserving the color and the texture of the rock. I sometimes like to use an enhancing sealant, which boosts the colors in the rock and seals it at the same time. The best rock to choose for your project is typically one that blends in with your environment. So keep in mind your landscape when you're making that decision.